Hello children, I hope you understand how we compare the given fraction. After that we will move to our next point, that is exercise 4.3. In that the first question is write true or false. So first is 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 4. We have to write true or false, that is right or wrong. 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 4 as the denominator are same. We will compare its numerator. As 3 is bigger than 2, yes, so crocodile mouth open towards 3 upon 4. So this statement is, this given fraction is true. So we will write here true. Next, B is 3 upon 7 is greater than 5 upon 7. Denominators are same, so we will compare its numerator. Now 3 is bigger than 5, yes or no? No. So given fraction are wrong, so we will write here false. Next, 6 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. Denominators are same, so 6 is greater than 3, yes, so the given fraction is true. Next, 2 upon 7 is less than 2 upon 7. Numerator and denominator both are same. If both are same, that their sign should be equal. Here less than sign is there, so given fraction is false. This way we can solve the given question. I hope you can do this remaining two sums. Question number 2, arrange in ascending order. So first example is 2 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 6 upon 7 and 1 upon 7. Here the denominators of all the fractions are equal. So we can compare its numerator. As we have to arrange the given fraction in ascending order, so we will find its smaller number. So which one is smaller among 2, 5, 4, 6, 1? 1 upon 7. That is, as 1 is smaller, so we will write here 1. So 1 upon 7 is less than, next is after 1, which one is smaller? 2. So 2 upon 7. After that 2 upon 7 is less than, after 2, 4. 4 upon 7. After that 5 is smaller, so 5 upon 7, then 6 upon 7. This way we will arrange it. Next is 5 upon 17, 8 upon 17, 13 upon 17, 11 upon 17. As the denominators are same, so we will compare its numerator. So which one is smaller? As 5 is smaller from all the numerators, so we will write 5 first. So 5 upon 17 first. After that which one is smaller? 8, 13 or 11? 8. So we will write 8 upon 17. After that which one is smaller? 13 or 11? 11. So then 11 upon 17, and last one is 13 upon 17. So this way we can arrange the given fraction in ascending or descending order. So I hope you can do these two remaining sums. You can use here less than sign also. Instead of comma you can use here less than sign, or instead of less than sign you can put here comma also. Next, third, arrange in descending order. Now 6 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and 4 upon 7. As the denominator are same, so we will compare its numerator, and then we will arrange in it descending. Descending means bigger to smaller. Now which one is bigger among these numerators? That is 6 upon 7. So 6 upon 7, you can use greater than sign or comma also. So here I will use greater than sign. 6 upon 7, then after 6 which one is bigger? 5. So 5 upon 7. Next 5 upon 7 is bigger than 4 upon 7. After that which one is bigger? After 4, 3 is bigger. So 3 upon 7 greater than 2 upon 7. Next, B sum is there. 4 upon 13, 6 upon 13, 10 upon 13, 7 upon 13, 5 upon 13. Denominators are equal, so we will compare its numerator. Now which one is bigger, as we have to arrange it in a descending order? Which one is bigger? 10. So we will write 10 upon 13. Then after 10, which one is bigger? 7 upon 13. So you can use here greater than sign or comma also. So you wish, you can give. After 10 upon 13, 7 upon 13. After that, after 7, which one is bigger? 6 upon 13. After that, 5 upon 13. And then last one is 4 upon 13. This way you can arrange the given fraction in ascending or descending order. You can use your greater than or less than sign, or if you don't want to use it, you can put the commas between the fractions.